Welcome to Business Live. I am Mark Croskery in BL today, Monday, the top of the week here at Business Live. First up, we got Seprod Limited, the margarine maker, lots of edible oils. The board of directors considering a dividend here. So the board of directors for Seprod, they've scheduled a meeting. They're going to get together this month, February 22nd, 2021, to consider a dividend. It should be a good one, but let's wait and see what the board of directors comes up with. Next up, we got MPC Caribbean Clean Energy. Not a company that's in the market a lot, but they've been doing some deals, whether it's in the Caribbean, Jamaica, Latin America, so forth. Look forward to them doing some more mergers and acquisitions. In this case here, delayed submission of their financials. The release to the JSE, jamstockx.com, talks about their year ended December 31st, 2020 for the year as well as a quarter. Now the company says it anticipates a delay of 15 days and targets the release of these numbers on March 1st, 2021, right around the corner. Now big microfinance firm, operations right here in Jamaica as well as in Florida. That's a US market. Access Financial declaring a dividend here. So remember, don't just look at stocks as potential growth of your capital, but also income for the income players out there, especially with C-19, COVID here, the pandemic. Now, board meeting held February 4th, 2021, Jamaican 10 cents. It's going to be payable early March, March 5th, 2021. Let's jump to the US markets, overseas markets. Amazon here, gigantic company. Jeff Bezos planning to buy up wind energy here. Talk about everybody getting into climate change, the green market. And this is for the European operations or Europe operations. It goes on to say, Amazon looking to purchase up to 50% of wind energy in the North Sea here for the Europe operations, as we said, offshore wind farm in the Netherlands. We're talking about 380 mega power here, megawatts or so, MW in the North Sea, out of a total 759 megawatts farm by Shell and partners. Now the date, a lot of these press releases, companies come out and say, just like what we carried last week on Business Live, talking about the Apple deal with Hyundai, Kia, etc., with production 2024. In this case here, Amazon here talking about this now, but operational, probably the wind farm 2023. So a lot of these deals are pretty long dated or early releases, but they get out there. We see what the impact is on the stock price, so forth. Now the big news here on Happy Monday, Bitcoin surging well past $42,000, $43,000. That's not points, folks. We're not talking about the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, the NYSE. We're talking about dollars here. What's this big news on? Elon Musk again. This is not Donald Trump anymore. He's old news since Biden has come in. So we're talking about Elon Musk here. Tesla purchasing US $1.5 billion or more of Bitcoin. Then he jumps on his Twitter account, sending out massive tweets, and Bitcoin just flying. All-time highs here, record highs. Also, him coming out and saying that Tesla, his company, is going to accept Bitcoin if you want to buy one of his cars. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.